Qila Castella. Getting the Lachga New Westminster Cleanswill Glitwin Hunuk IDD. Today this is kind of random. My son's getting ready and I just finished getting ready. I actually slept in, which is not even something I actually ever do. But I wanted to come on here and continue to work on sounds of Kwak, and I feel it's just way too important, right? And it's easy to get your ear tricked because some of our sounds sound alike. Like yesterday or the other day, I introduced you to the explosive K. And the explosive K has like an invisible silent Y on there, which makes a like but the rule doesn't apply on two letters, and that's the I or I vowel and the E vowel. So that's what we went through. If you go to the video that I did before, that's where you're going to find all the info. But today we're going to go on to explosive KW. So explosive K, shut the TV off here. Oh, it's my son in the bathroom. Okay, so anyway, explosive KW goes. So your mouth, if you look here, your tongue is actually, so you know that your palate's like this. Your tongue actually hits like right there. It goes, and your mouth rounds. Try again. So let's try it with some vowels. So explosive KWA, ah, ah, ah. Your turn. Try one more time. Ah. Now explosive KW A line. So A line, when I say A line, it's an A with a line under it. Okay, so that's kwa, kwa, kwa. Make sure you're hearing the click, right? Not back here though. It's up front. It's up front. Ah, or do it again. One more time. Okay. Now explosive K E where 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 one more time. Good job. Explosive K W I E E. Make sure it's explosive. E E. One more time. E. Good job. Now explosive K W O. O. My mouth is still rounded, right? O. O. Can you hear it? O. Good job. Now explosive K W U. Ooh. 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 One more time. Ooh. That felt funny in my mouth. Ooh. So, but those are the sounds, and you need to just have fun. Like, try and lessen your stress and like calm down while trying to learn. I have to learn stuff too. My granny was very like how I am up to the screen. My granny was like that in class. So, for instance, this is what probably everyone who comes onto my page, if you're part of my granny's class, that she was teaching us it was like a warm up for our tongue to begin our class. So she would go like this, and she'd go back and forth, and she'd go si sa su, si sa so, and so she would go back and forth. And so when she's teaching, she'll go like this, you know. She'll show where she wants you to find that that sound. So if I'm being overly expressive while I'm teaching, it's because that's how I was taught to teach. You can't really take, like, you do take language learning seriously, of course, because it's our language. Don't want to make fun of it. If you have an accent, don't make fun of it, you know, because I don't know what accent we should actually have, so don't ever feel ashamed of having an accent. I always get called out about, well, Pelian or thick accent. I'm like, well, yeah, what accent am I supposed to have, you know? So I never ever feel ashamed of having one. Um, but back to what I was saying is that language learning is serious, and the accent that you use and the accent that you have is actually how our language sounds. So if I'm going to say I'm going to go to this, I'm going to go all the way to the store. I'm going to go, or not go all the way to the store. It was a, okay, what other example can I use? Like really big man, or you know, wala sokpagwan. Like you know, so we're just very expressive when we speak, and our it's like almost like a harmony. Wala sokpagwan. You know, like and it just has like a nice little flow. um, there's a it's gonna get a little bit more tricky on where you have to find those sounds in Kwak, and I will do my best at teaching. I don't have a script. This isn't my job. I actually just love to help. I love to um, help people be able to speak properly or sound properly. I'm still learning too. Every day I'm learning. I've been asked, why aren't you fluent? I've been asked, do you think with all the years you've been studying you'd be fluent? Well, no, I've been alone all these years, and now I finally got a beautiful group that's willing to work, and everybody just works together at you know, at preserving and saving our language, and that's all we can do, right? And if I'm going to be part of this, I'm going to do my best at saving what I can, right? Along with our beautiful elders. And so, anyway, now I'm just rambling off, not even on the topic. So, ah, we, o, u. You try. Ah, we, o, u. Good job. One more time. Ah, we, o, u. Good job. Okay, come back tomorrow. Llachwala, nuclean clues. Halakasta ochla, delakasta ochla.